Team leads in the laundry, or probably even every business, make a huge difference in the operation. Basically, it's the operational level of management. They provide stability for processes, for quality. Sorry, my dog is trying to get out. And they are able to implement small improvements, which are very important. They train employees and so on and so on. Having very good team leads makes a huge difference. I personally have experienced this myself. In 2009, we implemented team leads. It was a bigger company, so we had 120 team leads. We implemented these team leads within 3 years or so. We had training programs of a few days for each of the team leads. At the end of the day, it completely changed the business. It increased stability, quality, increased productivity, huge difference. In the plant that I have now in Roding, we have now identified the team leads, and we will start to train them this year. I don't expect much of change this year. I expect that in 2026, 2027, it will make a huge difference. In a newsletter, I will post key responsibilities of team leads. And what we did is that we talked to them, and the things that they are doing very well, we mark with a green marker, and the things that they should focus in the next few weeks and months as improvements, we would mark, for instance, with a yellow marker. And then you can post this feedback on the team wall and develop them each and every week in this direction. And you will see these people flourish. It's incredible. It's nice. I can recommend it.